Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and in this episode we're going to talk about the brand new Master AIRSCREW props for the DJI NEO. Now these new props do come in 4 bright colors, well except for black. So you have electric yellow, you have lime green, you have apple red, and you have nighttime black. When you get the package inside, you'll find 4 props, 2 clockwise, 2 counterclockwise, as well as 8 screws for installation. So now you're asking, why do these new props for the DJI NEO exist? What's so great about them? Well, let me tell you. First off, when you look at the prop closely in comparison to the original DJI prop, you can see the design is different. They're about the same weight, but the design is definitely different. Based on the new design, Master AIRSCREW says you'll find that these props are much less noisy. So I've tested them out, and I do find the pitch is lower, which makes them less annoying to people, and I even did a little test, so check out my test here. So you can see from that test, they are in fact less noisy. Master AIRSCREW also says you'll get a longer flight time by using these props because the motors turn more slowly for the amount of thrust. Now the NEO does not get a long flight time as it is, so anything that helps the flight time is pretty darn good. I could not test that out in my area because it is freezing cold winter here. Master AIRSCREW says you'll also get faster acceleration, so if you're going from a slow speed to a fast speed, it will accelerate faster. It seemed to be quite quick in my test. Here, I'll show you right now my speed test. Next test, we'll try it using the remote. Here we go. Take off. Take it up. Bring it along the side of the car. Going side to side, seems perfectly normal. I don't see any difference whatsoever. The yellow color looks really good out here in the dull light. Here, I'll show you normal mode going full blast forward. There we are. That's normal speed. And we'll go in Scene, which is just a little different. Not much. That's Scene, a little slower. Bring it back. And now I'm going to take it up in the air because we're going to go really fast, and I'm going to go sport mode. Actually, I'm going to do sport mode up and down the street. So first down. There we go. Super fast. And let's go stand out here. And sport mode going right by me. Well, like I say, it's not super noisy. It's pretty quiet. It's got some speed coming right up my head. And another claim to fame is Master AIRSCREW says if you fly in manual mode, which is like acro mode, well, if you can fly in that mode FPV with these new props, this thing is going to respond better and even have a better top speed. So I tried this out in FPV mode, manual mode, flying around, and I will say it is better, much better than it used to be. So anyways, here, check this out. So let's take this out and fly with FPV goggles. Yeah, it'll be pretty cool. All right, so it's early morning. I'm going to try this FPV using the Remote 3, the Goggles 3, and the NEO, and we'll see how it flies with these new props. So the NEO is sitting right here on the edge of my Jeep. I'll just take off this way, fly it around my neighborhood. Lots of people out this morning going to school, going to work, so they're catching buses. It is very early, so my goal is not to annoy anyone. All right, there we go. We're in manual mode. Motor starting, let's take off slow. I'm in manual mode, so it's a little wonky, but here we go. There's a truck coming by. Let's go down the street. So far, all good. Flies really well. Come on back. Let's go a little lower to the snowbanks here. Seems to be okay. Taking it slow. And we'll go out on the street this way, behind the house. What's back here? Go up, 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 up. There's my world this morning, and let's try flips and rolls. Whoa, much better, much better. That did not have any prop wash to it. That was pretty cool. Let's try this again. Let's come down this way. I see some people coming, so I have to do this quick. Let's go this way. Normally there's people at this bus stop right over here waiting for a bus, but they've already been picked up, so I'm not annoying anybody. See cars coming, so let's beat them this way. Come on back. Go high speed as fast as I can go. That's it, that's top speed. It's not super fast, but that's what you get from the Neo. But she's good. You know what? You can actually fly this thing in acro mode now, which is manual mode. Before, it didn't fly very well. It was all over the place. Whoa, I almost hit that street light. But yeah, it's really good now. Look at this. That is nice. Let's try a forward flip. Look at that, nice and slow. There we are. That's pretty cool. Let's try it. Let's try it in reverse. Whoa, look at that. That is awesome. You can see up here, I just want to show you, look out the front. I don't know how good the camera is on the Neo, but that's a storm coming our way. We're gonna have a big storm coming. You can see it's all over the horizon. Yeah, look at that, way out there, big storm coming this way. Anyways, let's come on back to me. If I can find me, where am I? Good thing there's a big H on the screen saying this is the way to go to home, so let me follow the H. I can see myself way over there. Can only go so fast on this baby. I'm going as fast as I possibly can to get home. If I show you my goggles, you see the H, it's right where I am, right down there. I'm coming down to it now. And we'll slow it right down. And we'll get out away from that tree, spin around, and come on back this way. There we go. All right, let's come back to me. Come back to me, and I'm gonna land on the bed of the Jeep right behind me. So I did notice a difference when flying in manual mode with the new props. It seems to be a lot more stable and behaves a lot better when you fly in acro manual mode. Still doesn't fly super fast. The Neo is a very slow flying quad, so that's why it's probably good for beginners. And finally, Master AirScrew says these bright colors really stand out, so this drone is extremely visible. What you can see in this video right here, while I'm flying the drone and zooming in with my camera, you can see the props are highly visible. It really stands out, and I'm using the electric yellow props in this video. Last thing to say is the props are 100% compatible with the DJI NEO. You just take the two screws out of the old prop, take off the prop, put the new props on, make sure you put them in the proper order, and most importantly, make sure you seat the prop into the holes that exist already, because I don't know how many people write to me when they try Master AirScrew props. They put them on incorrectly and everything vibrates. So make sure you put the props on correctly so the holes all match up and everything is flush and seated and there's no gaps, and yeah, you can fly this and you'll have no vibrations. And the other thing to tell you is these props are made in the USA. Now, if you're wondering how this flies, if you just fly it in AI mode, you know you have no remote, you have no FPV goggles, you just hold it in your hand and let it fly. Well, I do have some video test of that. Check it out. So for this first test, I'll put it in spotlight.
Spotlight.
There we go. And we'll let it fly with that.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
So in spotlight mode, the drone just sits here and I get to move around, and you see it turns and follows me. So already I could tell it's the same. It's very stable in the air. There's a bit of a wind out here, but it's very stable. It's not very noisy. You can probably hear it on my mic if I stop talking. But yeah, it seems to be doing a good job. So that's spotlight. Everything seems normal. So now I'll try a quick circle and we'll see how it does going around me.
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
So she's up. She'll go back a little bit and then it will circle me. 1 full circle. There we go. So it seems pretty normal to me. I don't see anything abnormal with it. So these props are working perfectly fine. Obviously, you're not going to see an improvement in AI mode other than maybe the volume will be less, you know, be less noisy. That's about it. But yeah, it seems to work okay. Come on back to me. And we'll land the Neo. So you can see from that test, if you only fly this in AI mode, you're not going to notice too much difference other than the brightly colored props and the lesser prop noise. But if you fly the Neo using the remote, you will notice a difference in cornering because it will corner much better with these props. And if you fly the Neo in FPV mode using the FPV remote and my goggles, which are over here someplace, well then you're going to notice a big difference if you're in manual mode. But if you fly in like normal mode or sport mode, you'll notice a little difference, but it won't be as big. And if you're wondering, I did try the Neo with the new Master Air Screws with the prop guards on and the prop guards off. And well, I prefer the prop guards off because you can see the props better, but it doesn't make a difference. You can leave these on or take them off. It doesn't really make a difference. So with all that said, I'm going to put a link to these props below. They're not super expensive. Depending on where you live in the world, the shipping might be expensive, but these props are certainly not expensive. So if you have any questions on this product, well then post your comments below. So with all that said, this brings me to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in a future video coming up soon. Until then, I say bye.